Good morning. We've got our Ford Maverick XL truck here. We outfit all of our project managers with this vehicle. As a safety precaution, we install some upgraded equipment here. We've got the flex bed storage unit here. We're going to be putting 2 of these in today. And these we use for all of our straps, just to make sure that we got everything locked down tight. We're using a ratchet set here with a 10mm head. And we're going to take these out and get these popped in real quick. This will just go ahead and pop right out. So our next step here is removing this tie down so that we can get the unit installed flush using a Torx T30. Alright, now we're ready for installation, and then it'll just slide right in there, and then all we have to do is bolt it back on. And these are metric number 10 body bolts. And we'll just go ahead and hand tighten this down before we torque it down. And for this, we're using the Gear Wrench micro ratchet set. Now, this is not a professional grade tool, but it is great for these little jobs. Alright, now that we have this installed, we're going to switch back to our Torx and get that bracket reinstalled. And this is an OEM part available through your local Ford dealer. And this creates a waterproof location for your tie-down straps.